everybody, it's Mike Frieder here with On-Call Compliance Solutions, and I'm back. I bet you didn't think I'd be back, but guess what? I'm back, and you know what? Sometimes when you come back, it's better. Like Terminator 2. That was definitely better that he was back. I'll be back, right? I rest my case. All right, this week we're talking about CMMC Control MA L2-3.7.2. Provide controls on the tools, techniques, mechanisms, and personnel used to conduct system maintenance. You better keep those evil IT guys in check, right? So hey, if you're a defense contractor who's feeling overwhelmed, tired, and alone, trying to understand all this CMMC, DFARS, and NIST SP 800-171 compliance stuff on top of an already colossal workload, well, I've got great news for you. You found your home here at On-Call Compliance Solutions, where we can help you transform into your company's on-call compliance hero. Let's jump into it. So on this one, I have to admit, like some others, but not most of the others, it may sound a little obvious if you read it. But let's be real here, not so obvious in practice, right? You hire the IT guys, you hand them the keys, and whoosh, IT problems are solved, right? That's how it works. That's the magic inside the box. No. You see, when you are into defense contracting, you're going to have to be a little more mature than that. It's hard for me to go there, really. Like, it's hard for me to be mature. Anyway. You need written procedures. You need documentation on your processes for allowing access to your systems. You can't just go give him the keys because his name's Jerry and I think he passed a background check. Not sure. Maybe he passed a drug screen. I don't know. You're going to have to justify every step of how you run your system on paper through written procedure. And that includes your IT team who gets access to what and how they get that access. I hope that made sense. You get the point. Anyway, let's dive into what the assessors are actually looking for on this one, and we'll find out how to answer it. First thing they're looking for is determining if tools used in to conduct a system maintenance are controlled. Let's try it again. Determine if tools used to conduct system maintenance are controlled. So implemented tools are only accessible by authorized privileged users who have been given access to those tools. Number two, determine if techniques used to conduct system maintenance are controlled. This is implemented. Tools are only accessible by authorized privileged users. Only approved tools which provide approved techniques are available. So in other words, we've configured our maintenance tools so they can only do the things they're supposed to be able to do. Third, determine if mechanisms used to conduct system maintenance are controlled. Again, if we were to sort of give an answer here, we might say like tools are only accessible by authorized privileged users, only approved tools which provide approved techniques are available, only approved mechanisms are installed by approved privileged users for use in system maintenance. Again, all this has got to be documented. Where do we document this? Here's a hint. In our company, we do it in our IT operations policy, which determines how people are supposed to interact in our system and what they're supposed to be doing as far as running the IT operations. Yes. We deliver one of those completely done for you and customized to you if you guys decide you want more help, you want us to work with you one-on-one. So just know, I know you're like, where do I even start on this? We were there, but we figured it out, and we can figure it out for you too. So determine if personnel used to conduct system maintenance are controlled. Only authorized privileged users have access to system maintenance tools, period. So at On-Call, we work with defense contractors just like you, who have had this DFARS, NIST, ITAR, and CMMC compliance stuff dropped in their laps like a seagull on a sunny day. But we teach you how to level up and be a proper on-call compliance hero for your company, eliminating gaps, gray areas, and getting this solved, all while showing you how to leverage compliance as your secret weapon to land more defense work with higher profit margins. Now that's what becoming an on-call compliance hero can do for you. If you're looking for more help getting compliant, our compliance experts are always on call for you. I bet you never guessed that by the name of our company. Ding! Visit CMMCComplianceSecrets.com. Do it now. Click on the bio below and get the links that will make your life so much better. Like, I get it. You've been binging on my content for days and your eyelids are getting heavy. I want you to wake up tomorrow and feel like you really accomplished something. Check out our website. Self-schedule time with one of our amazing compliance solutions engineers. They're like Tinkerbell and Peter Pan. They just sort of like fly around the room and then they go boop and compliance is solved. Just like that. Anyway, if you love the content we're putting out there for you, help us out with a big thumbs up on that like button, or even better, smash the subscribe button for more Tinkerbells. No, but hey, until the next compliance tip, my friends, stay safe and secure out there, show us some love in the comments below, and I'll see you on the next one.